This demo showcases how Vozo streamlines patient monitoring and task management. You'll see how to create and schedule activities to enhance patient care efficiently. Click Patient from the side menu. Now, select the patient for whom you want to create monitoring and task management. You will see monitoring and tasks above the problem menu. You will have the option to choose from the provider list, and also you can apply a date filter. Click Plus New Activity to start adding a new task or monitoring item. Click here to view available activity templates for selection. Click the care plan to select this predefined monitoring template. If you don't have a care plan, you can create a new one. However, without a care plan, you cannot create monitoring tasks. Click Enter Monitoring Name to specify the name of the monitoring activity. Fill breathing as the monitoring name to define the focus of this activity. Click here to choose the provider associated with this monitoring activity. Click here to set how often this activity should occur. Let's select weekly to schedule the activity on a weekly basis. Now we need to choose the start date for the activity. Since the frequency is weekly, the end date will be set to 7 days after the start date. Write a short description of this monitoring task and proceed to the next step. You may also leave this field blank. Click plus Add Time to specify when the activity should be performed. This creates a scheduled time and helps you follow up with patients and complete the required actions. Click Create Activity to complete the setup of the monitoring schedule. This demo highlights how Vozo Health simplifies patient monitoring by enabling you to create, assign, and schedule care activities efficiently. Start using these features to enhance patient management and improve care outcomes today.